Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into using ChatGPT on mobile. Whether you're new to ChatGPT or you've used it on your desktop, I'm going to show you how to use it on your phone, what options you have, and why it's a total game changer for productivity, creativity, and even daily tasks. So let's get started. I think that I don't need to explain what ChatGPT is because in my opinion, almost everyone knows what ChatGPT is, and also a lot of people are already using it for certain things. But just in case for those who doesn't know what ChatGPT is the same amazing AI tool you know from your desktop, but now it's in your pocket. Think of it as having a personal assistant, a brainstorming partner, and a knowledge hub with you anywhere you go. Need help with writing? Want to plan your next trip? Or just curious about something? ChatGPT has got you covered all right from your phone. It's also available for both services, Android and iOS. Now let's get it on. First, if you don't have an app, download the app from the App Store or Google Play. Once you've installed it, open the app and log in using your OpenAI account. If you're new, you can sign up. Now once you're in, you'll see a simple chat window. Just type in whatever question or request you have, hit send, and ChatGPT will respond almost instantly. Now let's talk about the options you have with ChatGPT on mobile. Just like on desktop, you can do a lot of things. Option number 1 is general chat. You can ask ChatGPT any question, whether it's about current events, historical facts, or recommendations. You name it. Option number 2 is creative writing. Whether you need help drafting an email, writing a blog post, or even coming up with ideas for a story, ChatGPT is amazing for that. You can also ask it to refine what you've written or suggest improvements. Option number 3 are productivity tasks. This is where it gets really handy. You can ask ChatGPT to make lists, set reminders, or help organize your day. It's basically like a super smart personal assistant. One of my favorite ways to use ChatGPT on mobile is for brainstorming. If you're working on a project or trying to come up with new ideas, you can literally chat with it, wherever you're at a cafe, on the bus, or while waiting in line. It's also amazing for learning. If you're studying something new, you can ask it to explain complex topics in simple terms. And since it's always with you, you can ask those on-the-go questions that pop up during your day. So what is ChatGPT on mobile especially good for? Well, beside all of these options, which I use for example, there are 3 more things for what ChatGPT is good for. The first thing is that ChatGPT is good for convenience. You don't need to sit at a desk to get help. If you're on a walk and suddenly think of a business idea, or you're stuck writing an email, just open the app and ChatGPT will handle it in seconds. ChatGPT, it's also perfect for quick tasks. Sometimes you just need a fast answer, a suggestion, or some help with something small, and that's where the mobile app shines. It's way faster than Googling things or scrolling through tons of information, which is, in my opinion, totally waste of your time. And the third thing is, it's being creative anywhere. Whether you're writing poetry, planning a trip, or even creating a recipe, you can literally use ChatGPT anywhere. Inspiration strikes. Before we wrap up, here are a few recommendations to really make the most out of ChatGPT on mobile. First, use it for daily tasks. From organizing your day to drafting quick messages, it'll save you time. Second, experiment with creativity. Try writing stories, brainstorming ideas, or even making up new games. And third, make it your learning buddy. If you're curious about anything, ChatGPT will explain it in ways that are super easy to understand. And that's how you can use ChatGPT on your mobile. Whether you're being productive, creative, or just having fun, it's like having a super smart assistant in your pocket. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on AI, tech, and a lot of other things. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.